everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix shift lock on your Roblox account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Roblox application or simply open up your web browser and log into your Roblox account by typing in roblox.com. Once you're in the main homepage of Roblox, here I'm logged into my Roblox account. If the shift lock button is not working on your Roblox account, then here is how to fix it. First, go ahead and select a game you'd like to play on Roblox. Once you open up the game, click the play button to play it on. After you are done joining in the server, go and click on the Roblox icon at the top left. This will open up a menu on your display. Click settings and you'll be able to see a shift lock switch at the very top. Make sure that you've turned on the shift lock switch by clicking on this little arrow, and once you've turned it on, you can now leave the page by clicking on leave. Once you've turned the option on, you'll be able to fix your shift lock issue on your Roblox account. The shift lock button can be used by Roblox player to lock their character's perspective. That is how you'll be able to fix shift lock on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.